Hello all of my crafty people, Rachel here from Lone Star Crafter, and today I'm coming at you with a brand new video. I am going to be doing a sewing machine unboxing video, and this is going to be part of a series on this particular sewing machine. It is a Singer machine, 12 stitch Singer machine. I bought it on Walmart.com. It was on sale for I think $56.96, and I was able to get free shipping on it because Walmart had a special, I don't know if it's still going on, where you could get free shipping on orders over $35. I will do a screenshot of the machine on the website right here for you. And so my sewing machine videos are very popular, and so I thought I would do one about a machine that is not so expensive. Like my Janome is a little bit more expensive. The Singer, my vintage Singer, can be difficult to find, and if you need to have it serviced and things like that, it can add up pretty quickly. So I thought I would do a relatively inexpensive machine that anybody could get, at Walmart or online. And I'm going to do an unboxing video. I'm going to go over how to use the machine, using the knob, settings, and things like that. We're going to do a simple sewing project on it. And then at the end, I'm going to give you my opinion on whether or not I think it's a good deal for, about $60. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. It lists all the items it comes with. So just sort of your basic little notions to kind of get you going. So let's see, I was trying to find the model number on Walmart's website and I couldn't find it. So this is model number UFR-505. It is a mechanical machine. It's very, very lightweight. I could easily hold this with one hand. So this is not really a heavy duty machine in any way, shape, or form. If something is this light, it's going to be able to do some of those basic projects for you, especially with lightweight cottons and things like that. But trying to do denim on here, you'd have to be very careful with something like this. So, but I really like the box. The box has a handle, which is nice. It's a cute color, and it shows you everything you need to know about the machine right here, which is really great. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. It does say here that the sewing machine is made in China, so that's just to kind of give you guys that information. So when you open up the box, this is what it looks like. It has the instruction manual on top, which is very important. You want to make sure with any new sewing machine, you want to keep the instruction manual. It's going to give you all kinds of tips and tricks and hints. It's going to give you, this right here is a list out of all the items that come with the machine. So you want to make sure you double check the box, the styrofoam, and to ensure all those items are actually with the machine. You don't want to throw anything away on accident. And then of course it's going to give you the front view. It's going to tell you exactly what each knob is for, what each dial does. So, when you get a brand new machine, it's relatively easy to figure out everything from the instruction manual. Okay. Let's see if I can adjust this here. So then there's some diagrams on how to put the bobbin in. So it's actually a pretty good instruction manual. They're black and white photos, so it makes it relatively easy. All right, so there's that. And then it looks like it's pretty well packaged in styrofoam here. Usually the easiest way to get these machines out of the styrofoam, I usually turn it upside down, but this is so lightweight you can just pull it right out. And then double check the bottom, there's nothing in there. And this did fall out, so these are all of our little sewing notions and things like that. So let's open this bad boy up. Looks like we have a spool of white and black thread This is really cheap thread. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me show you how fuzzy this stuff is. Come on, focus. Can you see how fuzzy that is? How kinked up it is? I mean, I can see it from here, how fuzzy it is. And it's really thick. This is a really, really thick thread. I don't know why you would need such thick thread. It doesn't break easy, which is okay. So the thread it comes with, we'll test it out. We'll do a sewing project with the thread that they gave us to see what kind of quality it is. All right, so the next thing is a buttonhole foot. So this is a 4-step buttonhole foot. Here we have a couple of needles to get us started. Come on. Some needles. Okay, let's see. Do they tell us what size these are? These are pretty thick needles. It's always hard to see the size on these guys. I think these are size hundreds. Yeah, these are relatively big needles. So, I mean, at least they give us corresponding needles with the size thread that they gave us. Then we get 2 bobbins, and they're pre-wound, which I gotta say, that's pretty nice. And these are metal bobbins. So these are the metal class 15 bobbins. So when you do need to purchase more bobbins, I know Joann's usually sells these kind of bobbins. I'm sure Walmart has them. And then we have a little needle threader here. This would be kind of difficult to use. These are kind of hard to use on a sewing machine when like the presser foot is on and everything like that. But it's nice to always have that in your arsenal. Okay, so that's everything that was in this little bag. And then we're gonna open up the styrofoam. Here's our little foot control. It's so cute. Look how little it is. It's so tiny. It's itty bitty. And then we have the power cord. So this is sort of like an all-purpose, this is a universal style power cord. So if you ever lose this, this would be very easy to replace for this machine, which that's something I like. Same with this little cute little foot control. This would be really easy to replace for this machine if it ever did get lost. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it out. This is really tiny, very lightweight. I mean, just seeing it now in person, it almost looks like a toy machine. It's so small. It's really cute. What's this? Does it need batteries? Huh. I think you can use batteries with it. Interesting. What are those? Double A's. Okay, that's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. So again, this is going to make me think this is more of a toy. This is probably designed more for children to learn how to sew. I mean, you can see how lightweight this is. Let's see. It's already threaded. You can see here has a spool, another spool of thread. So they gave us 2 spools of white thread, which is a pretty good deal. And then they did actually do some quality control at the factory. So they did a sew out right there. Looks decent, doesn't look bad. They definitely used a slightly thicker cotton fabric that was folded over twice, so it's 4 layers of cotton fabric, and that's how they were able to get this tension that they got. So it's really not bad. It doesn't look terrible for just a little sewing machine. And then here, so you have your basic presser foot. I don't think it comes with any other presser feet. This doesn't open up at all. So if you're wanting to have something that has a free arm, let me adjust this camera really quick. Okay, so I just moved the camera down a little bit, and so I just wanted you guys to see the machine from a different angle. There's the presser foot. So this is where the bobbin goes right here. So this, if you're doing sleeves or pant legs or anything, this is how wide it's going to be. So that's the machine. And then this, I'm going to do another video where I show you how to plug it in and turn it on and everything like that. So that was it for the unboxing. Again, this was the Singer. Let's see. This is saying, let's see. Ooh, the box and the instruction manual say two different things. The box says UFR-505, but the instruction manual says SM-505. So that's the Singer, has 12 stitches on it. And so stay tuned for the next video where I show you guys how to adjust all the settings and everything like that. All right, have a crafty day.